Earn more than $1,000 with Google Trick. You guys are really important to us. I know that pandemics, war, and the other factors are really taking a toll on the world economy. There is no certainty in the corporate world, so we brought a way to make money sitting in your room, with your phone, without investing any money. Yes, all you have to know is a simple trick that can help you make money online. Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Wealth. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to press the subscribe button and press the bell icon right next to it. Let's start today's video and see how you can earn more than $1,000 with Google Tricks. You are living in the 21st century's digital world, where almost every essential need can be done through online services. So why not earn money online? The internet's plethora of opportunities can help us earn a handsome amount. All you need to do is visit some free websites and apps. Let me enlighten you. So let's start with step 1. You have to visit news.google.com. This will take you to Google News, which is a news aggregator. Google created a service where you can find all of the latest news from all across the world. And you can see all of these different categories on the left-hand side, including your country. World events, local news, and business are all available to you. Topics like technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health are also covered. Now, if you click on business right here, you'll get all of the most recent business news from your own country or from around the world. Moving on to step 3, this news page will be updated every couple of hours. The new articles will be published. As you can see, this one was posted an hour ago. This one was 14 hours ago. This one was 11 hours ago, and so on. And the money-making secret resides within these articles. Now it's time for step 4. All you have to do is visit Quillbot.com. Quillbot.com is a free online website that will professionally rewrite those articles for you. So all you have to do now is put your content into this box and click paraphrase. It will also completely rewrite the article. The best part is that it's all done for you for no cost. With a single click of a button, you can now copy this rewritten post and use it to generate money online. You just have to repeat the procedure with all of the articles from other categories that are available in Google News, which come in every couple of hours, giving you thousands upon thousands of articles to choose from, each of which can make you money again and again. Time for step number 5. You have 2 options for making money with those refurbished articles. The first one will not make you a lot of money, but the second one can make you thousands of dollars, and it has already made tens of thousands of dollars for people all over the world. Our next platform is textbroker.com. Now, what is it? And of course, what is the procedure? Don't worry, we are here to give you all the details. Basically, Textbroker provides authors with a number of ways to make money online. Its editors provide a star rating to your articles based on the quality of the content. Because Textbroker reviews and ranks your articles on a regular basis, you can keep improving your rating and earning more for each word you write. You are in charge of your own destiny. Textbroker.com is the first money-making alternative that we've mentioned. Textbroker.com collaborates with major corporations like Yoast, Staples, eBay, and others. This platform will compensate you for the articles you write. Of course, you won't have to create those articles yourself, since, as I just demonstrated, you can have them written for you for free with a single click of a button utilizing a simple Google method for making money online. I have already demonstrated the procedure. All you have to do now is go to textbroker.com and click the I Write Content button. Then that will take you to the next page, where you can find out how to make money writing articles for Textbroker. Textbroker's registration is completely free, and you can start earning money right away by producing various articles. You may now determine how much money you will make by going to the payment area right here and clicking on more details. As you can see, you will get $50 for 1,000 words. On Google News, you can find a lot of items that are 1,000 words long. As a result, the bigger the earnings, the longer the piece is. Now let us tell you the best part. The process will remain the same, but the platform will be different. The second way you can profit from your free articles is to use freelancing websites such as Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, Truelancer.com, and Guru.com. And websites such as QuickandGigs.com, PeoplePerHour.com, Upwork.com, and others also exist. Now let's quickly go through these sites. Freelancer.com is an online marketplace for ideas, skills, and abilities where anyone can work on projects they are passionate about. The website has been up and running for nearly 6 years, and it has introduced several goods and features to assist both companies and freelancers in completing projects. Because of the platform's size, it may appear intimidating to a newcomer. We'll go over the steps for working and earning on Freelancer.com in this quick guide. There are many various freelancing websites that you can use because using more of them would allow you to earn significantly more money. You can tenfold your revenue if you sell on 10 separate freelancing platforms. However, if you just sell on one website, you'll only be able to generate money from those articles in one way. As a result, the more you do it, the more money you'll be able to make. So if you go to Fiverr.com and search for article writing, you'll find what you're looking for. These are the writers that write articles and charge for them. The problem is that they aren't doing it on their own, which means that they aren't doing it the hard way. As a result, writing those articles takes a lot more time and work for them. Customers, on the other hand, don't want to wait. And because you'll be able to deliver those articles virtually instantaneously, you'll be 10 steps ahead of your competition, allowing you to earn more money. And you can see that it works. For example, this guy offered this service for $35 and had 289 purchases, resulting in a profit of almost $10,000. These individuals are all earning tens of thousands of dollars by writing easy articles. And with the trick that I have mentioned, you can earn this huge amount of money effortlessly. Fiverr, which is quite competitive, where you will be able to optimize your profits by using as many freelancing websites as possible. This method is really easy to use and completely free. The best part is that it works anywhere on the planet with obviously a good internet connection. Fiverr is a website that allows freelancers to make money by providing in-demand services. Clients can search the internet marketplace for freelancers they want to collaborate with and then contact them. You have more control over how much you charge clients and what you provide them, allowing you to begin earning money online on your own terms. You'll meet clients and potential buyers for your services from all around the world, allowing you to expand your network and open up new doors, and money will come flying. Moving on to the next site, which is People Per Hour. It is a website located in the United Kingdom that allows individuals to work as freelancers by offering freelancing jobs for both buyers and sellers. Buyers are those that seek freelancing services and need someone to complete a job on their behalf. Workers who sell their services in exchange for money are known as sellers. Buyers can contact sellers directly, or sellers can apply for the jobs that buyers have offered. There are also other sites besides these, and with this trick you can earn money on every website, and that will grow your money 10 times. These freelancing websites can make money for you much more than Textbroker, but why not try both methods? For freelancing websites, you have to open your account and make your profile appealing to clients. The payment methods are also hassle-free. So what are you waiting for? Just start now. So guys, that's it for the day. If you haven't already, like the video and turn on notifications to be notified as soon as we post. It would be greatly appreciated if you share this video as much as possible and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a video from us. If you have any thoughts or suggestions about this video, please leave them in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.